Hello, eco-warriors and planet protectors. Welcome back to Quests of Discovery. Today, we're not just going on a usual quest, but embarking on a journey through the labyrinth of a highly relevant and critical global issue. You may have guessed it already. We're going to deep dive into the world of climate change, a phenomenon that has been grabbing headlines for years now. The alarm bells are ringing and have been for some time, as our planet cries out for help. Our Earth's health has been deteriorating at an alarming rate, and it's high time we paid undivided attention to this issue. Today we're going to learn, explore, and understand the alarming facts and consequences of climate change. As your guide, I am here to unearth the most intriguing aspects of this issue. We will traverse the layers of its existence, from how it all began to where we stand today. We will explore the major causes of climate change, the role we humans play in it, and explore the potential solutions and preventive measures. I'm here to take you on a journey through the world of cutting-edge solutions and technologies designed specifically to counteract the devastating effects of climate change. Together, we will uncover innovations that are helping to heal our planet, from renewable energy solutions to revolutionary waste management systems. Climate change is not just about melting ice caps and rising sea levels. It's about the survival of species, the livelihood of communities, and the future of our children. It's about understanding how each one of us is intertwined with this planet and how our actions, no matter how small, can have a momentous impact. If you're passionate about sustainability, about preserving our planet for future generations, about making the world a safer, cleaner place for us, and for the countless species we share this Earth with, then this journey is we're not just narrating, we're calling for action. We're inviting you to be a part of the solution, to join the ranks of those making a significant difference. We want you to be involved because every step counts, every action matters. Learn with us, grow with us, and make a difference with us. It's time to put on your eco-warrior cap, engage with passion, make wise choices, and take steps towards a more sustainable future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're keen on being a part of this crucial conversation and want to stay updated on our latest quests. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can ensure a future for generations to come. So let's dive into this crucial conversation. Climate change is an urgent challenge that requires collective action. In a world where the effects of global warming are becoming increasingly evident, where every news channel features the consequences of our past ignorance, we stand at an important crossroads. An era has dawned, dominated by the fierce urgency of the current environmental crisis, that compels us to move forward, to innovate, to do more than just exist passively amidst the escalating turmoil. We bear the weight of the past, the collective inaction of generations that have preceded us, and it is a burden no longer bearable. We've inherited a beautiful planet, a sphere of life and possibility, and we owe it to ourselves and future generations to ensure its survival. It is these thoughts that ring loud as a clarion call, summoning each one of us to act, to participate, to be more than mere spectators in this ongoing war against climate change. In this video, we are not focusing on the gloomy sides of global warming. Instead, we are illuminating the positive side of the equation, the groundbreaking innovations that hold the promise of a better tomorrow. We are giving voice to the brilliant minds and technologies that are turning the tide against climate change. The visionaries who are pioneering eco-friendly initiatives, the scientists who are inventing solutions for carbon capture and renewable energy sources, and the activists who are fighting tirelessly to protect our natural world. We delve deep into the myriad of technological advancements that are challenging the current crisis. From solar panels decorating the rooftops of our houses to wind turbines transforming the energy landscape, from carbon-capturing technologies locking away harmful emissions to recycling programs that transform waste into valuable resources, we are in the midst of a revolutionary period of change. Our journey doesn't stop here. We explore the efforts of individuals, communities, and governments in promoting environmental sustainability. We highlight how businesses have embraced the green economy, how cities have adapted to become more resilient, and how nations are uniting on a global stage to mitigate the worst effects of climate change. All these stories symbolize a beacon of hope in a time of darkness. In a world that often focuses solely on the negatives, it's refreshing to shift the lens onto the positives, onto the changemakers who are actively playing their part in securing the future of our planet. In an era often defined by fear and uncertainty, they represent hope and possibility. This video is a tribute to all those who refuse to stand by while our planet suffers. It is a celebration of the innovative solutions and technologies that are helping combat climate change and promoting environmental sustainability. Before we delve into these solutions, it's essential to understand the magnitude of the problem we're facing. The climate crisis is not a matter to be taken lightly. Its effects are far-reaching, impacting the globe on an unprecedented scale. Every day we see the signs of its progression. The intensity of hurricanes, the ferocity of wildfires, the unyielding heat waves, the melting of Arctic ice, the increasing sea levels, and the changing weather patterns are all indicators of the relentless climate crisis. It's occurring right now, and its consequences are devastating. We've witnessed the displacement of people, the extinction of species, the destruction of ecosystems, and the disruption of economies, making it unquestionably the most defining challenge of our time. Even so, the full extent of this crisis is beyond the comprehension of many. It's not just about the changes in temperature or the rise in sea levels. It's about the potential to destabilize our very way of life. The climate crisis affects every aspect of human existence, from the air we breathe to the food we eat, from our health to our homes, from our economies to our ecosystems. The changes it brings are not isolated events but interconnected, reinforcing one another and escalating the crisis. Thankfully, the crisis, though unwelcome, has also sparked an era of innovation. Around the globe, individuals, businesses, and governments are coming together to combat the crisis. These innovations, the solutions we will soon delve into, are born out of necessity. They are the byproducts of urgency, the fruits of our collective fight against a common enemy. We see innovation in renewable energy, with advances in solar, wind, and hydropower, making these sources more accessible and affordable than ever. In agriculture, we see efforts to develop sustainable farming practices that reduce emissions and increase food security. In transportation, advances in electric and hydrogen-powered vehicles promise to significantly reduce our dependency on fossil fuels. We see innovation in conservation, with initiatives aimed at protecting and restoring our forests, oceans, and wildlife. In architecture, we see the rise of green buildings designed to minimize energy consumption and reduce waste. In policy, we see governments implementing legislation that promotes sustainability and punishes pollution. While each of these innovations is a step in the right direction, it's crucial to understand that no single solution can solve the climate crisis. Each solution is a piece of the puzzle, contributing to the broader goal of a sustainable future. The fight against the climate crisis requires a combination of these innovative solutions, a balance of action and adaptability, a unity of purpose and persistence. Why are these innovations so crucial? Because they represent our hope for a sustainable future. They embody our resilience, our ingenuity, our commitment to preserving our planet for future generations. They demonstrate that while the climate crisis is a formidable foe, it is not insurmountable. Through these solutions, we not only combat the crisis, we also forge a path towards a more sustainable, more resilient, more equitable future. And this is why these innovations are so crucial in our fight for a sustainable future. First on our list is the revolution in renewable energy. This revolution isn't simply a trend but a necessity to combat the rising global temperatures and the detrimental environmental impacts that come along with it. A myriad of solutions are being explored and implemented worldwide, paving the way towards a more sustainable future. Solar power, a well-known renewable source, has seen a significant growth in popularity over the past few years. The advancements in photovoltaic technology have made solar panels more efficient and affordable. These panels, when installed on rooftops or in solar farms, capture sunlight, converting it into electricity that can be used to power homes, businesses, and even entire cities. Additionally, the increasing interest and investment in solar power are creating jobs and bolstering economies around the world. Wind power, another renewable resource, is also experiencing exponential growth. This is due to the improvements in wind turbine design and construction, allowing for larger and more efficient turbines. Wind farms, both onshore and offshore, have become a common sight in many regions worldwide, harnessing the power of the wind to generate electricity. The beauty of wind power is that it's not just sustainable but also offers a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Advancements in geothermal energy have opened up an entirely new realm of possibilities as well. Geothermal plants tap into the natural heat of the earth to produce steam, which then drives turbines to generate electricity. This form of energy is incredibly reliable as it's not dependent on weather conditions, and has a smaller environmental footprint than many other energy sources. Hydropower, the oldest and most widely used renewable energy source, continues to evolve. Modern hydropower technologies have improved efficiency and reduced the environmental impact, making it an increasingly feasible solution for many parts of the world. From traditional dams to innovative run-of-the-river systems and tidal power, hydropower is harnessing the energy of moving water in more ways than ever before. In essence, these renewable energy sources hold the promise for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Each source, be it solar, wind, geothermal or hydropower, has its unique benefits and challenges, but together, they provide a powerful solution to the world's energy needs. No longer are these renewable energy sources just alternatives. They are becoming our primary choice for energy generation, changing the way we live and work. The shift towards cleaner energy sources is reshaping our global energy landscape. It's a shift that signifies the dawn of a new era, a transition from an age of fossil fuel dependence to one of renewable energy reliance. It's a revolution that's not just about technological innovation, but also about environmental responsibility and the sustainable coexistence of humanity with the natural world. Another exciting frontier is carbon capture technology. This is an area of scientific research and development that has been gaining significant traction in recent years. It's an innovative approach used to confront one of the greatest environmental challenges that our world faces today: carbon dioxide emissions. These emissions, which primarily come from the burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, are a significant contributor to the greenhouse effect, resulting in the increase of Earth's temperature, also known as global warming. Over the past few decades, the levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere have been rising at an alarming rate, causing an increase in the average global temperatures. This has led to a host of environmental issues, including melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and severe weather events. Hence, the need to control and reduce these carbon emissions has become more critical than ever. This is where carbon capture technology comes into play. The essence of this technology lies in its ability to capture carbon dioxide emissions directly from the source, such as power plants and industrial processes, before they are released into the atmosphere. This is achieved by using various methods such as physical or chemical absorption, adsorption, or membrane gas separation. Once the carbon dioxide is captured, it's then stored or sequestered. This storage can be done in several ways. Some methods involve injecting the carbon dioxide deep into geological formations, while others propose storing it in the deep ocean. There are also techniques that suggest converting the carbon dioxide into stable mineral forms, thus providing a more permanent solution. While the concept of carbon capture and storage has been around for a while, it's the advancements in technology that have made it more viable and efficient. Innovations in this field are now aimed at not just capturing and storing carbon dioxide, but also reusing it. This is a game changer as it provides the potential to create a circular carbon economy where carbon dioxide is no longer viewed as waste, but as a valuable resource that can be utilized in various applications, such as in the production of fuels, chemicals, and building materials. Despite the challenges such as high costs and energy requirements, the future of carbon capture technology looks promising. With ongoing research and development, it is believed that this technology can play a vital role in our fight against global warming. It's a race against time. But scientists, researchers, and policymakers around the world are working tirelessly to make this technology more efficient and affordable, thus bringing us one step closer to a sustainable and carbon-neutral future. Innovations in this field aim to capture and store carbon dioxide emissions, preventing them from entering the atmosphere and contributing to global warming. Our food systems are also undergoing a sustainable makeover. Just imagine the lush fields and sprawling farms. They are swiftly evolving, adapting to the rhythm of modernity. Thanks to the progressive realm of science and technology, a shift is taking place, a shift towards sustainability. The ground beneath our feet is changing, literally and metaphorically, as we witness an agricultural revolution of unprecedented proportions. Vertical farming, a term that a few years back would have seemed almost alien, is now at the forefront of this transformation. Imagine stacks of greenery reaching towards the sky, each level teeming with life. Picture a world where land scarcity is no longer a hindrance to agriculture, where every rooftop, every skyscraper could potentially be a green haven. This concept, which might seem like a dream, is fast becoming a reality. Vertical farming allows us to grow food in environments that would have once been unthinkable, from the heart of bustling cities to the confines of space stations. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of hope in the face of ever-increasing population pressures and dwindling resources. But it doesn't stop there. Precision agriculture, another game changer, is redefining farming as we know it. By harnessing the power of data, it optimizes the use of resources, ensuring that every seed, every drop of water counts. With the help of advanced technologies such as GPS, IoT, and machine learning, precision agriculture enables farmers to monitor crop health, predict weather patterns, and make informed decisions, thus maximizing yield while minimizing waste. It's not just about growing more, it's about growing smarter. And amidst all this, what's most fascinating is that technology is not only enhancing our ability to produce food, but also changing how we consume it. The concept of farm-to-table has taken on a whole new meaning in the digital age. With a tap on a screen, we can trace the journey of our food from the farm to our plate, ensuring transparency and fostering a deeper connection with what we eat. All these innovative practices are not just ensuring food security for the future, but are also minimizing environmental impact. They are leading the charge towards a more sustainable world, a world where agriculture doesn't take a toll on our planet. Instead, it coexists harmoniously with nature, nurturing it just as it nurtures us. Technology is transforming how we produce and consume food while minimizing environmental impact. That wraps up our journey into the world of climate change solutions. We've traveled far and wide, explored myriad technologies, and delved deep into creative initiatives that are making a difference. Each step along the way, we were guided by the light of innovation and the power of collective action. The solutions we discovered were as diverse as the challenges they seek to address. Whether it was harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water to create clean, renewable energy, or adopting regenerative agricultural practices that restore the health of our soils while sequestering carbon, we power of human ingenuity in action. We also witnessed how communities across the globe are rising to the challenge, embracing sustainability and resilience in the face of unprecedented environmental changes. From the coastal communities investing in natural infrastructure, shield against rising seas, to cities reimagining their urban landscapes to reduce heat and air pollution, we saw a kaleidoscope of creative resilience. All these solutions, however, are not standalone. They are interconnected, forming a tapestry of actions that, together, can help us navigate the tumultuous seas of climate change. But they need our support, your support, to thrive and grow. That's why it is so crucial that we continue to educate ourselves and others about these vital initiatives. If you're as inspired as I am by these innovations, let's make a pledge. Let's promise to make every day Earth Day, to live in a way that respects and enhances the natural world around us. Remember, every small action matters. Every time you choose to walk instead of drive, to recycle, to plant a tree, or even to share what you've learned about climate change solutions, you're making a difference. You're contributing to the global movement for climate action. So don't there. Get involved. Engage with environmental initiatives in your local community, support green businesses, and let your voice be heard in the halls of power. Be a part of the solution. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be part of our digital community that's passionate about building a sustainable future. Hit the like button if you learned something new and enjoyed our journey together. And most importantly, share your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear about your climate action stories, your ideas, your hopes, and your dreams for a brighter, greener future. But remember, this journey doesn't end here. There's always more to learn, more to explore, and more ways to make a difference. So keep that spirit of curiosity alive, keep asking questions, and keep seeking answers. Let's continue our journey together, not just as observers, but as active participants in building a sustainable future. Until next time, let's continue working together to build a sustainable future. Stay green, stay curious, and keep exploring.